Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTier and I am the owner and operator of LaJoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you ladies and gentlemen today with another pop-up DIY special, but today's special is going to be a ring. I'm going to show y'all how to make and create this ring using 16 gauge wire. Okay, now you can use any type of bead of your choice to make and create this design. I am going to be using a 6mm rondell glass bead. Okay, now you can use 10, 12. You can make your ring, the little bead that's in the middle, you can make it as big or as small as you would prefer. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Now basically what you're going to do is you're going to take your 16 gauge wire and you're going to cut about 12 inches. Okay, so I have already done that. This is my piece right here. You're going to need your wire cutters and your round nose pliers. So the next thing that I've already started doing was I took my round nose pliers, I came up to the top and I made a loop. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my bead and add my beads on my wire. I'm going to bring it all the way down just like that. I'm actually going to take my round nose pliers and just bend this to the side just a tad bit. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Just like that. Okay, push your piece up and pinch that down as close to the bead as you can get it. Just like that. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I am just going to start making some petals. Okay, now you can do this ring in 5 petals or 4 petals. Okay, so I'm going to be taking my hand, I'm going to make my first petal, and you can make your petals any size you want them to be. And I'm just going to wrap this just like this. Okay, I'm going to take this piece and pinch it down just like that over this piece of wire. The next step I'm going to do is I'm going to take and wrap this around just like that. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this technique one more time. Actually, more than one time. So, like I said, you can make your petals as big or as small as you would like them to be. And you can use any type of beads that you want to put in the middle. All right, so I'm going to do this one right here. So I'm going to do this the same way. I'm going to make a loop by bending and shaping just like this. Okay, and that's what you're going to have, and you're going to do the same thing you did the first time. So you're going to hold your piece, you're going to bring this under and hold it as tight as you can, and then bring it back over just like that. So that's what you're going to have. Okay, we're going to do it 2 more times. So we're going to mold our wire, bend that over just a tad bit, bring this around. Okay, just like that. And we're going to take it and go over top and back this way. Okay, so now right now you have 3 petals. Okay, last but not least, going to bring your wire this way. Okay, and you're going to wrap it just like this. Okay. And then you're going to have to move some stuff around. So you're going to have to pinch this up, bring this up like that, because you're going to be bringing this piece underneath. And let me show you. You're going to bring this piece, you're going to hold this like this, bring this piece under, just like this, over and back over again. Okay, pinch that down. And pretty much this is your ring. You're going to bring this piece up, and it's going to be sitting just like that. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to start molding your ring to fit your finger. Okay? So you're going to start molding it to fit your finger, and you're going to try it on. I'm using the 16 gauge wire because it just makes, like I said, once you bend it and into place and all that good stuff, it's permanent. Like once you bend it, now the adjustment part, like, because this is going to be an adjustable ring, and I should have mentioned that this is going to be adjustable. So basically, like I said, you just want to keep molding it to your liking. Okay, and this is what you're going to have. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to cut some of this off. This was extra wire, so we're going to cut some of this off, maybe about that much. And I guess this is about almost two. This is 2.5 inches that you're going to snip off. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our round nose pliers, and we're just going to make a loop. Now when you make your loop, you're not going to make your loop you're going to make your loop to the side. Okay, so let me show you. You're going to make your loop just like this. Down to the side. Okay, and this is pretty much what your ring is going to look like. Now if you want to, ladies and gentlemen, you can make the petals much smaller. They don't have to be as big as this, but the smaller you make your petals, if you're going to be working with, and you can also make this wire using 18 gauge wire. Like I said, this is 16 gauge. You can also make this ring using 18 gauge. The 18 gauge will definitely make it a little bit more easier for you to maneuver. But I just like the 16 gauge because I love 16 gauge wire. So I'm going to try that on my finger to see how it fits. Try it on. Squeeze it. And it's perfect. This is a perfect fit. And the thing that I like about this style too is that you can put this on any one of your fingers. Also, what I like about it is that it's adjustable. If you want to make it so that it will fit down on this part of your finger, all you got to do is just make this part a little shorter, okay? And that it will fit down on your finger. But this is really, really cute. And like I said, it's adjustable. And these, the holidays are coming up. If you want to make somebody something that's going to be different, something that no one else is going to have, this wire that I'm using is tarnish resistant gold, tarnish resistant gold 16 gauge wire. And I just love it, y'all. You can make and create so many different things when it comes to these rings. I also made it like this in this style right here, but this is with the 18 gauge copper wire. Okay, so I want to thank y'all for watching today. I hope you make as many of these rings as possible. These are just too cute, y'all. Too cute. So I want to thank y'all for watching. For those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the all up at the top so that once I upload more videos, you will be notified. Also, please like and share this video. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.